Hello everybody, I got here is a Laview security camera. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert a micro SD card on it. So, and this Laview camera, the micro SD card is right here, where the sign here, the 2K sign here, is there's a hole here. So what you need to do, this is the micro SD card. The label side, it goes here, this side, okay, and just push it in and you should hear a click. I don't know if the camera can pick up the click, but it did click. If you want to remove it, you just push it again and it should pop out. Alright, so the label side should be facing that way. You just push it in, camera can see it. Let me do it where the camera can see it. Okay, here. So insert and then push. If till you hear the click, not clicking yet. There's the click. To remove, you just push. Hard. Come on. There you go. So push in to insert, push in to remove. Alright, make sure you hear that click there. Alright, that's it. That's how you insert a micro SD card on a Laview camera, security camera. Alright, I hope this helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Alright, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.